Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and I'm Reed and this is Reed's Beauty Trip, and this video is going to be my December Ipsy unboxing. So I get 2 Ipsys a month, and the first one I get is of course the original Ipsy bag. So we're going to open that first. Let me know. Mina's talking to me. She thinks this is food. It's pink. It's not food. So we're going to jump into this bag and see what we've got. So the first one thing is by Colored Rain, which I was wanting. This is the Focal Point Glow Lighter Selfie Pressed Highlighter. So that's that. So this is one of them. Look at that. It's got a nice, I don't think you can see, but it's got a nice shimmer to it and stuff. So, yeah, I'm excited about that. And it's like focal point. You're okay, princess. You're okay. Next one I've got is the Per Brazilian Leave-In Conditioner. It's a nice little travel size for that. What? You? No. I know what you want, but you're not getting it. Then we also got the Reka Illuminating Turmeric Polish. So it's turmeric facial scrub. La la la. So that's what that is. So we'll see. I assume it's sealed, so I can't smell it. But nice little facial scrub to try. I know. And of course, we'll take out the bag. So I got some stuff in the silver bag. So there's like, what, 3 items in there? So the next item I have, Kenzie Free Spirit Perfume. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Hold on. There's more. Let me just rescue the dog. So Mina wants mama time. Okay. She's caught up in my tank, my shirt. Sit there, pretty? Yes, thank you. You aren't getting it. I know what you want. You want my sandwich. No. Does it say what scents? Hold on. It's just called Mina Lorray. Dropping stuff because I'm... It's a clean scent, so it might not be bad. Kenzie's doesn't, you know, with the free spirit, so that'll have to go in my one to try. What is the theme? I don't even know what the theme is. So the theme is Shine On. Sparkle, Shimmer, and Shine. Mina. So bring in the new. What a year. So the lining is like silver and then it's got green inside, so I do like that. It wasn't like, a lot of times when you open it, you're like, oh, it's red. Or burgundy. Oh, so we also got, this is interesting because I do like the Avon eyeliners. I actually just used one up. Avon True Color Glimmer Stick Diamond Eyeliner. This is in 24 karat, so it's a gold color. And then, a Hey Honey, and I've seen a few people get this. The Hey Honey Look Into My Eyes Retinol and Propolis Eye Mask. So it's kind of fascinating how it is the mask. But it's a leave-on absorbing treatment. So don't feel like it's a mask. If it's just basically, it sounds like it's an eye serum, eye treatment serum, not a eye mask. So I don't know if I don't know. But I like that they're not that far away. They're out of Denver, Colorado. So not far from my neck of the woods. Beauty for Real Stardust Lip Gloss. I'm not going to open it just so, but it's got a nice nudie sparkle to it and stuff. Like I said, Stardust Lip Gloss. I haven't heard of Beauty for Real, but it's someone to look into. You never know what you're going to like when you find them and stuff. And then I also got, put that because I will save that for some of my kids that are in group homes and foster care. Tarte High Performance Naturals Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Shimmer and Shake. So I haven't seen that. So it's a blush. But I know why you wasn't on my live. You weren't on my live to get my food. I put the food up. Oh, Mama's sneaky. So this is Shimmer and Shake. Oh, it's definitely the Amazonian clay. This is a different packaging for them for this. It's a very peachy nude. Oh, that's not bad. I don't think this is bad. I got a fragrance. I got, let's see, one. I get an eyeliner. Since this is a leave-on, to me this is an eye serum. I've got a facial scrub by this Reka, so I'm definitely excited about trying that. Colored Rain, which I've heard so many great things about Colored Rain, so definitely excited about that. The Kenzie fragrance. So I got, what, 6, 7 things in here? And like I said, this Beauty For Real, this lip gloss, and like I said, the Tarte and such. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. I don't think that's a bad haul for $12 and stuff. And it's all stuff I'm pretty sure I will use. Actually, I'm looking at everything. The turmeric polish, chances are I'll use the facial scrub. It'll probably travel with me somewhere and it'll go in a bag, and that's what I'll use. So I am happy with this. So these 7 items, yeah, they're sample size. But when you travel and you're doing stuff, this works great, especially if you just want to, only fit so much into your bag. And, I know this sounds bad, but when I travel, I pack a lot. So I need to get a lot in a small amount of space for what I do. So, because I do the eye serum, I do the serum, I do the layering, I have a line corrector, I have a firming serum, I have moisturizer, I have retinol, I have the night cream, the day cream. So you want to be able to fit all that in a certain size bag to get in your luggage. Even if you're only gone 2 or 3 days, there's a certain level of stuff that I want to keep and make sure I have. And, I'd rather have a little extra versus not enough. So I am saying I really like what's in this Ipsy. I'm not disappointed. I'm not. So the next one is my Ipsy. I don't know. It's got to be the Ipsy Plus. I don't get the Ultimate. I'm pretty sure I don't get the Ultimate. I think I talked with my friend Nona about that. I said, no, I get Ipsy Plus and Ipsy. I don't get the Ultimate. I haven't been rocked by it for the justification of what the price is. There's other ones out there I would rather invest in. So I love the orange foam, the egg crate stuff. I love this. This is just, and honestly, okay, this is gonna be interesting. And I know a lot of people, they've shown theirs and stuff. I do. So okay, so this is a side one, but like I said, a lot of these bags. Mina is waiting for me to put her on someplace where she can grab some food that she's not supposed to have. So she's not. Okay. We're gonna start with this one, and this is the Evolue Hydrating Serum, which I'm always a sucker for serum, but this is for hydration, so it's not an anti-aging one. It looks like it's only for hydration. So apply after cleansing, twice a day. Keep refrigerated for best results. Okay, we're in the middle of winter. I don't think that'll be a problem. So we'll say that. This is the 111 skin. A lot of time we talk about what the wrinkles are here. They're the 11, or I always call it the triple one. Haley St. Jordan Cryo Activating Hydrogel. So, and this is regenerative. So it is supposed to be anti-aging. Yeah, Mina's crawling. Supposedly done by a plastic surgeon who created this. Rejuvenate and refresh tired skin. Each energizing formula contains a unique combination of ingredients and stuff. So So after cleanse, so yeah, it's like a moisturizer. So now I have a, yeah, because you put it on circular motion morning and night after cleansing and toning. If used as a part of the 111 skin regime, used in combination with the Cryo ATP Sports Booster. So now there's a moisturizer. The bag, which is going over here, like I said, for stuff, especially with kids in the group homes and stuff. It works really good for them to have something to put their little things in, like some of the things and stuff like that. And I save like some of my sample size things. If it's something I know I'm not going to use and one of my kids might not use, I'll save it for, say, the Ronald McDonald House or something like that, because that's travel size. So like a lot of times when I stay at hotels, you know, the shampoo, the conditioner, things like that, the travel size, I always save that for them. And I have a friend they go and help out there, because it's about 3 or 4 hours away. They go out there at least once or twice a month. They go there and check it out because they're on the board and they help out with that. So I like to make sure I have those options. So we're moving on. We've got the skincare, 2 skincare items. Now we got the Illamasqua liquid eyeliner in black. I think, was someone telling me that's okay, it's a felt tip. I was seeing if it was felt tip or the brush, because I really was wanting a new brush one. This is Morphe lipstick. And it's the original Morphe. It's called Morphe. So I'm assuming this is a hot pot of red. So what? Oh, look at. So there's that, the Morphe, and yes, it is Mega Matte, Super Matte Morphe. So check out the Morphe lipstick. So that's pretty cool. I'm liking that. I like the case. I will be honest. I'm just really liking the cases. But red lipstick, hello. I love red lipstick. I am a red lipstick addict. I wear about every week. I wear it at least once or twice. Okay, let's see. Am I missing anything? Don't take this wrong, but I had a better enjoyment out of my $12 box than this box. And then, of course, this is the Ipsy palette, the Magnet Build Your Own palette that I think everybody's gotten, where you get it and you pop out that paste because you get the 4 colors. Sorry, Mina. I can't help it. You're right there. So this is a nice, like, little, the leather. And like I said, I think everybody pretty much got this. Then you take this off. Is it perforated? And you can pop that out. And then put your other ones in there, which is cool because I have loose ones that need homes, magnetic. I'm like, come on. So, and it's a very, for smoky eyes, if you're comfortable with doing smoky eyes and stuff, this is a great combo for doing just good old smoky eyes. So you can really play with those. So that is fun. That's different. I know, like I said, I think everybody, all my friends that got it, they got this one. So, like, basically the insert's just like, later, Gator. See you later. Yeah, bye. So, it is what it is. I might keep the plastic flap, though. So, do they have the names on the back? No, they do not. Well, that's a bummer. We'll put them on the top row since they came from here. Maybe we'll put them, I don't know. We'll play with them. It's just, you know, but like I said, I like the feel of the palette. I like how it, you know, it's a nice palette. It's a nice small travel palette. So if you have singles and you want to create your own to travel or to do certain looks with, to do certain things, you know, especially just like to go, I like this. I do like how, I like the feel of it and I like that. So this one's not bad, but will I use everything that came in it? Yes. Eventually. You know, the skincare, 2 skincare, a lipstick, yes. Lipstick, you know, the eyeliner, it's a felt tip. We'll see how it goes. This is probably worth a lot of it, is this right here. Because I do have singles that I can put in there. And, like, I can put, like, the bronzer. I mean, like I said, you have, like, a day trip or a couple day trips. you know, just pop in your highlighter, your bronzer, your blush, and then a few shadows just to travel with it. You're good to go if you're not having to do a lot of looks and stuff, which there is. Sometimes I have to drive to an event or do something and I leave the night before, but I don't, you know, I'm only there for one night, you know, kick this out, put your face on, and go. And that's all I got to do. This is good for that. So as long as I have the singles that I want to create the look that I want to look with the outfit that I'm wearing and such, this is here. So I do like that. The more, it's red lipstick. Reed loves lipstick. Reed loves red lipstick. I'm all about the red lipstick, so I'm fine with that. But I really like the $12 Ipsy bag. The sample, I know it's sample sizes and all that, but really it's not. Like the Avon True, that's full size. This is full size. So that's a cool thing. These, you know, try that. Hey Honey, it's one I like because it's out of Colorado, so I like that. I love liquid lip glosses in the smaller tubes for travel and all that. So travel wise, she's settling. Hold on. Yeah, I like this. So I like these. I mean, don't get me wrong. Like I said, there's some really good stuff out of this one. I'm not saying there's not. But I'll be honest. The little one's rocking my world a little bit more. Other than the magnetic palette, which if I wanted to buy a magnetic pot, I could buy a magnetic pot. But I'm feeling it. Thank goodness I'm not playing the drinking game like Little Miss Nat. Because the whole thing, I'd be so in trouble. I have no idea if I have keywords or whatever that work like that with hers. If you want, you should see her drinking game. Get ready with me. Her eyeshadow look. Oh, heavens to Betsy. But it was hilarious. I loved it. So I'll give you my honest opinion. I am more excited about the $12 bag than I was the $25 or anyway, the Ipsy Plus bag. I like the Ipsy bag better than the Ipsy Plus. Go figure. Am I going to cancel? No, not going to cancel either one of them right now. Let's be honest. That's not going to motivate me to do it. But I'm not like upset about the little one. And I know a lot of people, oh, samples and stuff. The Plus one, I know most of the brands except the skincare. That was the only one I really didn't, you know, I don't know as well. But I'm going to try them and research them. Especially the ones that are just, you know, the hydration. We're in winter. It's the perfect time to have hydration stuff. It's the perfect time to be wearing hydration. So, to me, voila. So, if you liked it, please comment below. Let me know how your Ipsy bags. I know most of my friends have already filmed theirs. But they're Ipsy boxes and Ipsy bags. And I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.